Consistent characters in Leonardo for free? How amazing is this? She's such a cutie. I'm astounded. Let's have a parrot too.
So let's start our tutorial. First, go to leonardo.ai. Link will be in the description, no worries. Okay, what now? Now you have recent creations you can use. You can open them and use their prompt, or you can choose your own. On the left, you also have personal feed where you have all your creations, videos or images. Okay, let's start. So we click on image generation and you have many styles you can choose from. Just click and choose your own. I'm going with Absolutely Reality V1.6. On your left, you can choose the number of images, then just click generate and let's start. Then you wait less than a minute and that's it, you have your image.
Let's try style reference now. Upload an image. Let's go. Write your prompt. Generate. It's the same character. Look at these results. Wow. Download it if you want. Another example, our cute girl. Let's send her to school. So cute, right? Let's upscale it. Add image. Choose your settings. Upscale it. Isn't this so beautiful, so different? Look at the definition, look at the eyes. I love it.
You also can click here where it says new and you have generate motion video and it will start moving. And the magic happens! Yeah! I was so excited about this and this is really, really good. Of course, some things are not perfect, but you try and try until you get the result you want. The thing is, you have 150 credits you can use per day. I've used mine, so I'm showing you all the things I have done before. So, hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the tutorial, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools ever for you and your projects. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye for now.